Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good potato salad. First, select the right potatoes. Russets or Yukon Golds are excellent choices for their creamy texture. You'll also need quality mayonnaise, a good Dijon mustard, crisp celery, and finely diced red onion. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill or chives to elevate the flavor profile. These foundational ingredients are key to a truly delicious potato salad. Achieving the perfect potato texture is crucial. Start by cutting your potatoes into uniform 1-inch cubes to ensure they cook evenly. Boil them in generously salted water until they are fork tender but not mushy, typically around 15 minutes. Immediately drain them well and let them cool for a few minutes. This step prevents waterlogging and allows them to absorb the dressing better. The dressing is where the magic happens. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Incorporate 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar for a bright, tangy kick. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Taste and adjust as needed for your perfect blend. Now for the final steps. Gently combine your cooled potatoes, diced celery, and red onion with the creamy dressing. Mix everything thoroughly but carefully to avoid mashing the potatoes. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 2 hours or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give it a final taste and adjust seasonings if necessary. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book on personal finance and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.